Hi guys, welcome back to Southernly Seasoned. We are about to make some spaghetti today, so we thought we would record a video to show you how we're making it. So what is that?
Just olive oil. Just put a little tablespoon in it. Get a pound of ground beef. It's like a pound and a half.
So you have olive oil in the pan. You said a tablespoon full, and a pound and a half of ground beef.
And then I'm gonna put tablespoon of garlic powder. Pepper. Salt. Mix it up good. And then I got half a cup of onions and a half a cup of bell pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. And then minced garlic. Do a tablespoon of minced garlic. Then you're just gonna let it brown.
So this is what we have so far. Of course, a lot of grease. Once he drains it, he's gonna add his sauce. So this is what we have after the grease has been drained. Today he's using
Prego.
Prego
Stir the sauce in.
due to the quarantine.
Put 2 tablespoons in. Put some salt in your water for your noodles. Then I put some oil in my water so they won't stick. And then you want to wait till it boils to put your noodles in.
So our water is boiling. It's ready for our noodles. How long will you let these cook?
About 10 minutes. Depending on how you want them, but I'm doing like 8 to 10 minutes.
So here's the finished product. We have our spaghetti, corn on the cob, and some garlic rolls. So we're about to dig in, and I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Thank you for watching this episode of Southernly Seasoned. I hope you enjoy, and we'll return to watch more of our videos.